Okay, hello, good morning. For today, we're gonna be cooking sinigang. And these are the ingredients. Kangkong, gabi, okra, tomato, sinigang. And the pork is already boiling. Here we go. We'll add those later. Okay, I'll show you the finished product. Bye! So we boiled the pork and then we add the gabi. Kinda looks like taro, like that. Okay? And then we let it get soft. Okay. Then we will add the fish sauce. Fish sauce. There you go. Okay. And we also put a green chili, long green chili here. So that one, we put it there. So to make it a little spicy. Okay. And this one later, this is the supay, the souring agent. So this is the fast one. We put it later. Okay? So I'll show you later the finished product. So now we're making it boil to soften the meat and stuff. And the gabi or taro. Bye-bye. Later. Then we will add this. The one that makes the soup sour or supay. There you go. Okay. Mix it. Yeah. Okay, all this brought. Okay. We add the okra and finally some kuchinchay. This is called water spinach in English or kuchinchay. And in our language we call it kangkong, but again class, this is water spinach in English. Yes. And that's sinigang. Now, this is the finished product of sinigang. And we pair it with white rice or any rice. So this is the sour soup of the Philippines called sinigang. Itadakimasu. Bye. See you.